In this video, we'll explore what LLMs are and why they matter. LLM stands for Large Language Model. Think of it as the language brain behind many AI tools. It's the part that understands what you type or say and figures out how to respond. LLMs are trained on massive amounts of text, including public domain books, licensed content, websites, and publicly available conversations. By learning patterns in language, they become highly effective at predicting which words should come next in a sentence. That's how they can answer questions, summarize information, write emails, help brainstorm ideas, or explain complex topics in simple terms. An LLM doesn't think or know things the way humans do. It doesn't have beliefs or understanding. Instead, it recognizes patterns in language and uses those patterns to generate helpful responses. Let's look at how this works in practice. When you type a question into an AI chat tool, the LLM analyzes your words, understands your intent, and predicts the most useful response, often in just a fraction of a second. Behind the scenes, this involves billions of calculations happening extremely fast. So where do LLMs run? Some LLMs run in the cloud, using powerful data centers to handle large workloads. Others can run partially or even fully on your device, especially on modern AI PCs. These devices use hardware acceleration, such as NPUs, to support on-device AI processing. When LLM tasks run locally, responses can feel faster, your data can stay more private, and you're less dependent on an internet connection. Now let's talk about why LLMs matter for everyday users. First, they make technology easier to use. Instead of learning complex menus or commands, you can simply ask questions or give instructions in natural language. Second, they save time. LLMs can summarize long documents, draft messages, extract key points, or help you get started faster on tasks that used to take much longer. Third, they help you work more creatively. Whether you're writing, planning, coding, or brainstorming, LLMs act like a smart assistant that helps you think through ideas. Here are a few real-world examples. If you work with documents, an LLM can help rewrite text, check tone, or turn notes into polished content. If you work with data or reports, it can explain complex information in plain language or help you find insights faster. And in everyday life, LLMs power smarter search, voice assistants, translation tools, and accessibility features. Of course, LLMs aren't perfect. They can make mistakes, misunderstand context, or generate information that sounds confident but isn't always correct. That's why it's important to review results and use them as support, not as a replacement for human judgment. As LLMs continue to improve, especially when combined with AI PCs and on-device processing, they will become faster, more personal, and more integrated into everyday tools. To learn more about Lenovo AI PCs, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.